Hello everyone and welcome to Erpag Academy. As you already know, my name is Maria and today we will continue with the course Inventory Management, and today's topic will be the non-inventory products. The non-inventory products in Erpag are tangible products, but they don't have the inventory tracking, which means that they don't have the stock card formed. These are usually the small products that you don't keep track of, but you do need to purchase them in order to use them in bill of materials, for example. These are the things with the small values, such as salt, if you have like a bakery industry, or small nuts and bolts and nails if you are running a machinery shop. The specific thing about these kind of products is that the cost of goods sold is formed upon purchasing and receiving the items to your stock. The other thing specific about this product is that since there is no inventory tracking, you are not able to track these products based on serial or lot numbers. So let's switch the screens and see how the non-inventory product is actually created within Erpag. Let's get technical. All right, now once we have our screen here in Erpag, now is this capturing everything? Okay, so we are logged into our Erpag account and we will create a non-inventory product by going to Inventory, Products and Services, clicking on Add New and selecting the non-inventory product from the drop-down menu. Now, my husband is a carpenter, so what I usually find lying around in his shop or the house are nails. So I will use nails as an example for this video tutorial. So the SKU is the stock keeping unit of a product. It is automatically given here. However, if you don't want Erpag to automatically create this number for you, you will retype it. And it is alphanumerical field, which means that you can combine both letters and numbers for the SKU. The top row, the basic info, is the most important info when you create a new product in Erpag. So the stock keeping unit, the description, unit of measure, and the type is automatically given, and it is non-inventory product. We will keep them in pieces and you will use them in the pieces as well. The product category section here, each product can belong to only one tax category, one product category, and one trademark. So the tax category means that the tax will automatically be calculated when you purchase or you sell this item based on the tax category and the tax location of the document. The product category is used to define the product further, and it is really useful in the reporting. So I can use this just as a component. The trademark is usually used for branding of the product, and it is also useful just like the product category in the reporting section. The search scope here limits your view of this product, where this product will be seen in which document. So if you only purchase this and use it in the work orders, you will disinclude the sales option from here, which means that you will only purchase this item and use it in the work orders. The storage location is the position of this item within your warehouse. Next row here we have the selling price. The selling price you can define if you are selling this product further. So I can put here 0.50 and my type will be default. Erpag has a lot of combination of selling price, such as price tiers. If you have specific prices per group of products, group of customers, volume discount, or markup margin. We will have separate videos regarding each selling price type in the future as well. The product properties are actually created under inventory and product properties. These are used in variable products mostly, when you have to describe the product closer based on the color, size, or whatever other value you need. The fulfillment is important to include if you will use the fulfillment option in Erpag. However, since this is a non-inventory product, it won't show up in the non-inventory section because this is something that you always have on hand. That's what it is called, the non-inventory product. However, I will leave the back order as a supplier. When you click on the drop down, you can choose a single supplier or the multiple suppliers. So the single supplier here, I will put this supplier and the purchase price of this product, and of course I can put the SKU of the supplier if I want to make my supplier's life easier by printing their SKU on the purchase order, and I will call it DSN01. Okay. The item images. The item images are supported in JPEG or PNG format. You can upload up to 20 of them, and the first one will always be the default one on the products and service page. The barcode or the second unit of measure. If you want to use your scan gun or to use the Erpag mobile application for scanning the barcodes of the products upon receiving or selling or using in manufacturing, you can input here your own ENUPC, or you can click on the plus button and then Erpag will generate the barcode for you. If you click on the drop down in the type column, you can select one of the, I think, 16 different barcode types that we support. The second unit of measure is used if you have, if you use different units of measure upon, for example, purchasing this. So my husband, he purchases the nails in boxes, right? So I will put here like a box. Second unit of measure, description will be a box, and how many of default unit of measure I have within one box. So my default unit of measure is pieces, but when he purchases a box of nails, it comes in the box of 100. So you put just 100 here, which means if you purchase one box, Erpag will place 100 nails to your stock. If you purchase two boxes, he will place 200 boxes in your stock. So you get the point of using the second unit of measure. The second unit of measure can be used in purchases, sales, and also work orders. Additional info is used to for any further information regarding the product, such as the net weight and the gross weight of a product, if you need that to go into your bill of materials for the packing list of the finished product, volume, dimensions, country of origin, and harmonized tariff duty rate for the customs declaration. The custom fields are here just any type of field that you need to closely describe this product and you don't have a field for that already in Erpag created. Usually the custom fields are used either in reporting or in the blocklist scripts. The attachments here can be in any other format, such as standard picture format. As we already said, you can use the product images for that, or you can put them in attachments. Usually the attachment section is used for XLS file, Word documents, and PDFs. Item description is just like this space where you can put more information regarding your product. Usually people use it to put in a lengthy description of the product, such as specific instructions. And lastly, we have notes. Notes is also this bigger section for internal notes between your employees, visible only in Erpag, which means that there is no way you can put this note anywhere on the customer portal to be visible, or in the how do we call it, or in the report designer for the printout. Okay, once you have your product in Erpag, you can save it. Okay, so once you save it and if you purchase it, if you sell it, it won't be in the stock card. So that means that when you click in the reports on the right side, there is no stock card as a report, only sales or purchases report. And that's it. That is how you create a non-inventory product in Erpag. To recap this video, the important thing about non-inventory products are that you can purchase it, sell it, use it in the manufacturing, in the bill of materials, but there is no stock card for it. You can only view either the purchases report to see how many of them you have bought over the time, or the sales report if you want to see how many of them you have sold over the time. It was a lot of information, it was a lengthy video, but I hope that you get it. If you don't, feel free to ask questions. So that's it for today's video. Bye!